Hi Drastic Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw BTS's BT21 baby Cooky. So let's get started. To draw this super cute bunny, let's first start by drawing its ears. So let's come right here and I'm going to go up nice and round and not too long, just nice and short because we're drawing the baby version of Cooky, right? So just a nice big curve like that. And then from there, and the reason I'm ending a little bit higher is because I know it's going to be at a curve. So from there, I'm going to draw the other ear. So I'm going to come out about right here, about midpoint. And I'm aiming to draw about the same thickness as the other ear. And I'm going to flop this ear down. So I'm going to curve and come right back. There. Just round this off. So I have the ears in. So then from there I can go ahead. So where I started right here, I'm going to go ahead and draw this big dumpling shape that I usually give to all my characters. So about right there. So let's go nice and wide around. And connect at the bottom. There. So that is your basic shape that you're aiming to draw. So then let's come back in here. So imagine this curve is continuing about right here in the center. I'm going to go ahead and draw a curve, and I'll draw the inside of the ear. So just a soft curve, a small curve compared to the outside. From there, let's work on Cooky's nose. So right about in this area, in the center, a little bit lower, I'm going to come about right here and draw a curve. And I'll round it off and connect it at the bottom in the center and then go up. And then I'll come in here, really small little highlight and shade everything else in. Now that we have the nose in, let's come right underneath in the center and I'm going to draw a straight line down. From there, let's curve it out on both sides for the mouth. Curve and another curve. There. Okay, so then from there, let's draw the eyes. I'm going to come to where the nose is and come to the side of it and draw a circle. And so same thing on the other side, about right here. And I'll come in here with a highlight right here and shade everything else in. And same thing over here. And now that we have the eyes in, let's come right above each eye and we're going to draw a straight line right above. And same thing here. So about right here. And I'll just thicken it up a bit. There. And then Cooky also has cheeks, but we'll do that when we color. And then let's draw the body. So I'm going to skip a little bit of space and say right underneath this eye, about right here and here. Nice and centered. I'm going to go ahead and draw kind of like a straight line down. And then about right here, I'll give myself a point right in the center. See about right here? And from there, I'm going to draw another straight line. So this is going to be the beginning where I'm going to go ahead and connect right here with a curve for the legs. And same thing over here. There. Okay, so then now the arms, let's come out about right here. And we're just going to curve and in. So same thing over here, about right here. I'll just drag this point across since I'm drawing kind of big. And same thing. And connect. And then right here, I'll just draw a line right here to separate lightly so you can see it. And of course, last but not least, I'll draw a heart right here to make this my Draw So Cute cookie. So now that I'm looking at my cookie smile right here, he's not looking very happy, right? So I think I need to make this a bit bigger, a bit wider. So let's see if that helps to make him look happier. So I'll just bring this out and I'll come in here and white this out. And I think that helps a little bit, right? So now that the drawing is done, I'm going to come in here with some colored pencils and bring Cooky to life. So they're all done. I really hope you love how this BT21 baby cookie turned out from BTS, and I made it fun and easy for you to draw along with me. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.